Okay, here's how to make 5 times your money in financial stocks, part two. On February 16th of 2012, we see Barclays at 1566, Bank of America at 21, Citigroup at 32. That was Bank of New York at about 22, Bank of America at 8, and Zions Bancorp at 19. They've all gone up about 30% in 1 year. This is February 13th of 2013. They've all gone up 30% except for Bank of America, that's up 50%. And so we see that Warren Buffett value formula really does work. Buying companies with earnings at a low price to book, they return in price. But here I'm putting it together with a little bit of technical analysis as well. Here we see a 6-year downtrend line in Chase was broken in January. And this 6-year downtrend line, this is a 10-year graph here of Chase. We see that it corresponds with 6 years of loan resets. That's where homeowners had their mortgage reset to a higher payment, and many people defaulted because the home price was down and they didn't want to pay more for a home that wasn't worth it. And here you have 6 years of major sectors in the stock market, and the orange, which is home builders, and the financials, which are green, have underperformed the market since 2006. And that's starting to reverse now. In 2013, home builders and financials are starting to be strong sectors in the market. Looking here at, here's a graph of the S&P 500. I like to look at monthly MACDs because this monthly MACD formula shows us that the stock market here actually pretty much does what it did the year before. You have this buy signal in March of 2003 after the dot-com bubble. And notice how the market recuperated. Then it gives a very timely sell signal at the end of 2007. And then it gives, in the middle of 2009, it gives a buy signal. And there was a little whipsaw in here in 2011 and 12 where it gave us a sell. It gave a sell and then a buy. And the reason was that second wave of Alt-A and option arms loans adjusted. If you've been following the loan resets, you knew it was coming in 10 and 11. Many people actually waited out those years and then got back in 12. But the monthly MACD is positive here, and the stock market is telling us that it is probably going to continue in an upward direction. And so what I've done is I've looked at a couple stocks here. Here's Lennar Homes. Lennar Homes, the monthly MACD gave a buy signal when it was at 10. It never gave a sell signal. It's still showing a hold here at 40. And so stocks that crash, this monthly MACD gives you very good buy and sell signals. You can ride out the whole as it goes back. Here's one. You might not want to buy Lennar Homes because it's at 40, but here's one, KB Homes. They're at 20. Here in Los Angeles, KB Homes is known as a very high quality builder. They sell very nice homes, and here it gave a buy signal here in early 2009 when they were around 12 or so. They're around 20, and there was a little whipsaw in here in 2011 with the Alt-A and option arms loans. There was a sell and then a buy back in here. But they're at 20, and it's very positive, accelerating, gaining strength. It could easily go right back up to 80. There's a stock where you could quadruple your money. I expect it to make a huge move in 2013, and it's already up $5 in 2013. It was 15 something at the beginning of the year, so 15 and a half, 16. It's already up to about 20. I expect it to make major strides in 13, 14, 15. So there's a stock there that could easily double, triple, quadruple in price. Although quadrupling it might take a few years. And here's another one, Bank of America. They're one that's still highly beat down. They recovered after the dot-com bubble. They fell in the subprime loan crisis. They bought Countrywide, so they really got beat down, had a lot of losses, penalties, and they have $600 billion of cash on hand. They can easily weather another $30 billion in penalties, which seems to be about the max they're going to pay out. And they're only at around $12 in March of 2012. If they go back to 55, there's a stock where you can quadruple your money. Um, just a little bit of move in Bank of America going to 20, there, and you've got, a big percentage return on your money. So those are putting the technical together with the fundamental. I hope you liked the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.